Here's the video for the 2023 IONIQ 6 Limited rear-wheel drive with a range of 305. "20-inch wheels, sunroof, V2L, memory seats, Bose sound system. The front seats are ventilated and heated. Wireless charging. Leather heated steering wheel. There you have it for the 2023 IONIQ 6 Limited rear-wheel drive.